In this video, I'll show you how to extract frames from a video in VLC Media Player. So I'll show you how you can extract one frame and then multiple frames. So to extract one, you need to go to Video, click Take Snapshot, and that will take a snapshot and it should put this screenshot into your photos. If you want to extract more than one, what you need to do is go to Tools, click on Preferences, then go to Show Settings and click All. Here you need to then scroll down and find Video, and then click on the downwards arrow next to Filters and keep scrolling down here until you find Scene Filter. Click on that and here you've got your settings. So keep it on PNG as the image format, and then what you need to do is find a directory to add the photos to. So what I'm going to do on my desktop is right click and create a new folder. So we'll go New Folder. You can put this folder anywhere. I'm just going to call this frames. Now what we need to do is double click in the folder and you need to get the directory here. So go ahead and click and copy the directory of this folder. So you can see it's C drive, my username, desktop, and then frames. And we can go ahead and paste this folder directory in here. Now you've got the recording ratio. Now this will essentially be the ratio of screenshots that have actually been taken. So if you set it to 3, it means 1 image out of 3 is recorded. For a good balance, you would need to set this to about 20. If you set it any lower, you're probably going to get spammed with frames, but you can play around with this number. Either way, go ahead and click on Save. Now we'll go back to Tools again. We'll go to Preferences, click on All. And now you need to scroll down and find the video section again. Once you're on the video section, click on Filters, and then we just need to find the Scene Video filter and go ahead and enable it. Then click Save. Now we can go ahead and play our video, and once you play it, it should then start to take screenshots. Now if you go into your folder and there's no screenshots here, you can go ahead and just close out a VLC Media Player and then reopen it. Now let's try that again. So it is now playing, and as you can see, if we look at the folder, we should now be seeing screenshots here. Now this will keep going, so we will need to stop this. Now to stop it, all you need to do is click on this square button here, and this will stop the video, and it will also stop the frames from being generated. As you can see, we are now done, and we have high quality screenshots of our video.